Are you tired of seeing your YouTube earnings in a currency you don't use? Change it in 30 seconds. So many creators I talk to get tripped up by this one simple thing. You work hard on your videos, you watch the views grow, and then you check your revenue dashboard only to see numbers that don't make any sense because they're in a currency that isn't yours. It makes tracking your actual income way harder than it needs to be. I'll show you exactly where to click in YouTube Studio to switch to your preferred currency. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is log into your YouTube Studio. This is the main dashboard where you manage your channel, check your analytics, and handle your earnings. If you're already on YouTube, just click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the menu. It takes you to that familiar control room where all the magic happens. Now, once you're in, look down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a menu there with a few options, and what we need is settings. Go ahead and click on that. It looks like a little gear icon. This is where YouTube keeps all the behind-the-scenes controls for your channel, from upload defaults to permissions, and, of course, your currency preferences. A new window will pop up with several tabs across the top. You'll see things like Channel, Upload Defaults, and Permissions. The one we want is the very first tab, called General. Just click on that. This section handles your basic account settings, including language, time zone, and the one we care about right now. And here's the important part. Scroll down a bit within the General tab until you see a section labeled Default Units. Right underneath that, there's a drop-down menu that currently shows whatever currency your account is set to. It might be US dollars or euros or something else entirely based on where you live or where you first set up your account. Click that drop-down. You'll see a long list of currencies from all around the world. This is where you take control. Just scroll through and find the currency that you actually use. For example, if you're in the Philippines, you can select PHP. If you're in Europe, pick UER. If you're in Japan, go for JPY. It's your channel and your money, so pick whatever makes the most sense for your financial tracking. Once you've selected your currency, don't forget the last and most crucial step. Look for the blue Save button at the bottom of that settings window and click it. That's it. Your changes will be applied immediately. The next time you look at your revenue reports or your estimated earnings, those numbers will now show up in the currency you chose. No more mental math. No more wondering if that number in a foreign currency is good or bad. You'll see your earnings in the money you actually spend and save with. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in how clearly you can see your channel's real performance. So go ahead, make that switch, and get back to doing what you do best.